What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
Where are you from?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times in a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga and run. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8:30 am.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
So what time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at the cafeteria.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich and a salad.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and painting.
How do you relax in the afternoon?
I watch TV or take a nap.
Do you help with household chores?
Yes, I clean the house and do the laundry.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
My mother usually cooks dinner.
What do you usually have for dinner?
We usually have rice and vegetables.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you go out with friends on weekends?
Yes, we often go to the movies.
Do you travel on weekends?
Sometimes I visit nearby cities.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga and run.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink 8 glasses of water a day.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents and siblings.
Do you go on family vacation?
Yes, we go on vacation every summer.
Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Where is your favorite travel destination?
My favorite destination is Paris.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Do you eat out often?
No, I prefer home-cooked meals.
Do you prefer reading books or watching TV?
I prefer reading books.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have any financial goals?
Yes, I am saving for vacation. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos.